Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished QuickBooks could remember your information automatically, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up QuickBooks so it recalls information for you, making your accounting faster, easier, and more accurate. By the end of this guide, you'll never have to manually enter repetitive data again. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what automatically recall information means in QuickBooks. Essentially, it's a feature that remembers previously entered data, like vendor names, item details, payment methods, or customer info, so you don't have to type it every time. This saves time and reduces errors. To activate this feature, start by opening QuickBooks and navigating to the Edit menu. From there, select Preferences and then click on Accounting. Under the Company Preferences tab, you'll find an option called Automatically Recall Information, or sometimes labeled Autofill Forms, depending on your version. Make sure this box is checked. Now, QuickBooks is set to remember your entries. For example, when you create a new invoice and start typing a customer's name, QuickBooks will automatically suggest previous entries. The same goes for items, accounts, and payment methods. Here's a pro tip. You can also manage the recall history. If QuickBooks starts suggesting outdated or incorrect entries, simply go to Lists greater than Memorized Transactions or Customer/Vendor Lists to update or delete entries. This keeps your automatic recall precise and clutter-free. Another helpful tip is using Memorized Transactions for recurring entries. For bills, invoices, or checks you use regularly, QuickBooks can save them and even remind you when it's time to post. Combine this with the auto recall feature, and you'll drastically cut down repetitive tasks. Finally, always save your preferences and restart QuickBooks to ensure the settings take effect. Once set up, you'll notice forms and transactions getting filled faster, reducing errors and making your bookkeeping more efficient. And there you have it. By using QuickBooks' automatic recall feature, you can streamline your accounting, save time, and stay organized effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more advanced automation tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.